Hello, welcome from Tag My Assets. Today, we will be discussing the concept of tagging. In general, tagging refers to the act of labeling assets. However, before we delve into the topic, it is important to understand what these assets are and the various types of tags that can be used to label them. The assets we will be focusing on are industrial or business assets. These can include fixed assets such as plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, office equipment, and IT assets. Plant and machinery assets are those assets that are used in production. Although paper labels can be pasted on plant and machinery items, but where the surface of assets is oily or very heated, in that case metal tags are better substitutes. Furniture and fixtures assets are those assets which are mainly used in office and include chairs, tables, almirah. Paper tag are the best option for furniture and fixtures. Office equipments are those assets which are managed by the admin department of the company. AC, LED, and refrigerator are office equipment assets. Here again, paper tags are the best option for office equipment. Computer assets are information technology assets. It includes desktop, laptop, scanner. These assets can be easily tagged with paper tags. Now, let's explore the different types of tags that can be used for these assets. Some common options include QR codes, barcodes, NFC tags, RFID tags, and GPS tags. Each of these tags possesses unique features and qualities. Among these options, QR codes and barcodes are the most commonly preferred by companies. Although QR codes and barcodes belong to the same family, there are notable differences between them. QR codes are two-dimensional square grids, while barcodes are one-dimensional strips. In our next video, we will delve deeper into the distinctions between QR codes and barcodes.